Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Draft, Thickness, Linear Pattern, Pocket, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. This is the drawing with the given dimensions. In step 1, we sketch the middle section profile on XZ plane, and then we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile, and then constrain and dimensions later. Create a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool, and then set the length to 115 millimeters and the option symmetrical. The draft angle is 10 degrees. Activate the draft tool and then select the faces which will be affected. Now, activate the neutral plane button and then select the upper face. Set the draft angle to 10 degrees. In step 2, we add a fillet with a radius of 10 millimeters to the created part. In step 3, we give a thickness of 2.5 millimeters to the created part. Activate the Thickness tool and select the face to remove, and then set the thickness parameter to 2.5 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we sketch the flange profile on the top surface, and then we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges and curves. Hide the solid part. Now create a rectangular profile around the reference edges and curves. Assign a dimension of 15 millimeters to each side. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 23.5 millimeters to the corners. Select all fillets and then constrain them to equal. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool, and then set the length to 2.5 millimeters. Activate the Reverse option. In the last step, we create the holes with a diameter of 8 millimeters with the help of pocket and linear pattern tools. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edges. Assign the dimensions. Convert the reference edges into construction lines. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool, and then select the option through all. Now, we create the other holes in X direction with the help of Linear Pattern tool. First, measure the hole distances and then calculate the distance between the holes. Select the hole and then activate the Linear Pattern tool. Select the direction of the transformation. Set the total distance between the endpoints to 254.87 mm and the number of holes to 5. Now, activate the option the direction to. Select the transformation direction, the base y-axis. The distance between the holes in y direction is 125.9 mm. Now, we create similar hole on the other edge. Select the hole and then activate again the Linear Pattern tool. The method and the procedure is the same as the previous task. The distance between the holes in y direction is 69.9 mm. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.